So there are only two ways by which you can get rid of a split ends is by cutting the hair. If you have got a shoulder length, cut a blunt cut or a boy cut. Hello, I am Dr. Vinay Koparkar, founder Papillon Hair World. Today I am going to talk about how to cut the split ends. Before that, you just remember, once the split end gets formed, there is no remedy on this earth which can recover you, which can give you a recovery from the split ends. I mean, once the split end gets formed, at the end, if you get the divided hair, there is no way by which you can reunite them. So the only alternative which remains in your hand is to cut the split ends. Now the question comes is how to cut these split ends, because you cannot reach to each and every hair and cut the ends. So there are two easy ways to cut and get rid of the split ends. One, if you have got the shoulder length hair, I mean the total length of the hair is not above 14 to 15 inches. My frank advice, if at all you have got lots of split ends, almost if you have more than 50% hair has got a split ends, easiest way is try to make a short haircut, maybe a blunt haircut or a short bob in which you will not have more than 4 to 5 inches length. So easiest way for get rid of split ends if you have got the hair up to the shoulder is the make short hair. Take the short haircut and then you start taking the precaution by which you will prevent the further formation of a dryness and the split ends. But in females who has got a long hair, who has got a length of around 24 inches, 25 inches, 26, they will not prefer to cut it so short like a bob cut or a boy cut. So there is a remedy which cannot be done at home, but for them there is a remedy which is done at beauty salons, and there is a specific way by which they try to take out each and every split ends. I will try to show you on the wig how the normal procedure is carried out. See, for example, what they do is they go on taking sections of the hair. What they try to do is they start winding up all these hair and they go on twisting this hair up to the end. Then what they prefer to do is then they just put the reverse like this. And if you can see, there are lot of ends which comes out, and what normally the beautician do is they try to cut these kind of ends so that almost each and every hair whichever is coming out along with the end, they cut it, and so you can get rid of at least 40 to 50% of your split ends in this fashion. Remember, for God's sake, don't try to do this at home, because you will be cutting that hair in between and you will have an occasional length of 4-5 inches, 8 inches and occasional length of 21 inches. So this is a professional job which has to be done by the beauticians in saloon. So there are only two ways by which you can get rid of a split ends is by cutting the hair. If you have got a shoulder length, cut a blunt cut or a boy cut. If you are long hair, you go to the saloon and take the proper treatment to get rid of your split ends. I hope you must have understood how to get rid of your split ends. If you have got any questions related with this topic, you can ask me and write the question below. And if you are liking my videos, please subscribe to Papillon Hair World. Thank you.